Hello everyone, and welcome to my mediocre product review. I'm the Mediocre Misfit. In this one, I'm going to be taking a look at Talon Grips Gamlokr PlayStation 4 Controller Grips. These grips can be picked up at talongungrips.com. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box below. Each one of these kits come with sterile prep alcohol pads and a sticker. If you'd like to pick up a set of these for yourself, the deluxe grips will run $24.99, and they come with the bumper and the trigger pads. If you'd like a basic set that does not come with the trigger and bumper pads, you can get that set for $19.99. Before getting started installing the grips, you want to make sure you use the supplied alcohol prep pads to clean off your controller. You'll need to remove those greasy fingerprints and the Cheeto and Dorito crumbs to ensure that these grips stick properly. And speaking of sticking properly, if you're new to the channel and you like product reviews just like this here, then be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. And if watching live is your type of thing, you can also catch me live at Mediocre Misfit over on Twitch. Stop by and say hi. I love new faces. Now that I've got my controller all cleaned up, I'm going to remove the grip from the packaging and heat it with a hairdryer on the hot setting. Doing this will ensure that the grip can maneuver easily around the controller. That way I can get it into all the cracks and crevices that I need to, while also smoothing out any bubbles or creases that may arise along the way. I'm only going to remove half of the backing at a time. That way I work on one half of the controller and then move on to the other half. This will ensure that I don't get any dirt, hair, or other grime stuck into the glue onto the backing. You want to line your notches up with the center of your controller and then just work it around the controller. Once you get the first half on, you can then start to remove the other half of the backing and work it around the second half of the controller. As you see here, they cut it out rather nicely so you don't have to remove it all at one time. However, once I made it over to the controller handle, for me it was just easier to go ahead and remove the rest of the backing. Now that you've got that all firmly into place, and you're feeling how nice your controller feels now, don't get too distracted. We're not quite finished yet. Now we have to install the directional pad cover along with the X square triangle circle pad cover. And if you've got the deluxe set, once you're finished with this, you'll need to install your bumper and trigger pads. Overall, I really enjoy the added comfort and grip that Gamlokr offers with this product. If you're like me, my hands tend to get a bit sweaty when I'm in those intense situations. So no matter whether you're in a Fortnite build battle or you're in Call of Duty going for a merciless or a nuclear medal, these grips will offer something for you. They'll ensure that you don't drop your controller, and they'll also make sure that your fingers aren't slipping off the trigger pads, so you're not missing those very important shots. Talon Grips also offers a variety of other grips, not only for PlayStation, but for Xbox, Nintendo, and a large variety of other firearms. So be sure to check out their website so that you don't miss out on any of their products. I'd hate for you to do that. If you happen to pick up a set of these grips for yourself, be sure to let me know in the comment section below and what you think about them. And if you'd like to watch some Fortnite content, be sure to check out my other playlist. I help out with challenges and things like that. I hope this video has helped you out, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And until next time, I'm the Mediocre Misfit, and I'm out.